It is said that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. Moving on the same lines, an NGO that started the India's first signal school in Thane city of Maharashtra 4 years ago has come a long way in imparting education to the poor and marginalized children, especially the young street dwellers.
The traffic signals under the flyover now are not just limited to the street dwellers to carry out their business, but has also become a place where the young minds take their beginning steps towards a bright future. All thanks to a Pune-based NGO Samardh Bharat Vyaspeed that came up with this innovative concept of Signal Shala or Signal School that aims to provide mainstream education to the children living on streets. Accredited by Thane Municipal Corporation, this school operates out of a shipping container under Teen Haath Signal flyover in Thane and provides primary and secondary education to underprivileged children by friendly learning methods.
इन बच्चों को अगर हमको पढ़ाना है तो एक ऐसी स्कूल चाहिए थी जो उनको समझ सके और उनके हिसाब से फ्लेक्सिबल हो सके। तो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा सकते मगर स्कूल तो बच्चों तक आ सकती है। ये बच्चों तक लाई गई स्कूल है जिसको हम लोग सिग्नल स्कूल कहते हैं।
Inaugurated on June 15, 2016, the Signal School currently imparts education to 48 children who earlier used to sell knickknacks at the traffic signals. The school has 4 full-time teachers, 1 attendant and several volunteers who keep dropping by at regular intervals to help in some way or the other. Apart from imparting mainstream education, the school also conducts activities like dance, sports and games along with honing the skills of the students in other fields like robotics.
स्कूल स्टार्ट होता है, फिर पहले पढ़ाई ये सब स्टार्ट होता है। 1 बजे तक स्टार्ट होता है, पढ़ाई ये होता है और फिर 1 बजे के बाद 2 बजे तक बच्चे खेलते हैं सब। और शुक्रवार और शनिवार ये 2 दिन रोबोटिक का क्लास लिया जाता है और सोमवार और मंगलवार ये दिन स्पोर्ट डे यानी स्पोर्ट खेला जाता है। तो ऐसे ही सिखाया जाता है ये।
Similar schools should be started at various places in the mega cities so that each and every child in India has access to education. Moreover, if children can't reach to the school, such initiatives will help the school reach to them.